Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you watched the first video of our chapter Ice Cream Man. Have you understood? Today, this video we can look the question and answer and activity of the textbook. Okay, let us start.
Now we can look new words and its meaning. First one, blaze. Blaze means bright flame or fire. It's very hot and we can feel very bright flame. Second one, trundling. Trundling means moving on small broad wheels. It is very small wheels and here comparing into ice cream man's cart. Third one, mounds. Mounds one means heap or pile. And ice cream man is filling ice cream in his cone. It's mounds. Next one, frosty fizz. Frosty fizz means we can see when sometimes we are opening a soft drink, we can see some bubbling sound. The same sound, chilling drink making a hissing or bubbling sound. Last one, cluster. Cluster means here gathered around group of similar things. Here children are gathered around the ice cream mans. So here comparing to honeybees that we know that same cluster. Cluster is a group of things. Next, we can move on. Question and answer. You have to write this question and answer into your notebook. Question number one. In which season ice cream is popular? In which season is ice cream popular? Answer. The ice cream is popular in summer season. Second one. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Answer is children feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Next one, name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man and his cart. Answer is the ice cream man has vanilla, strawberry and chocolate flavors of ice cream in his cart. Fourth one, what are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream and chill drinks. Next one, number 5. What is the ice cream cart compared to the poem? The ice cream cart is compared to a flower bed. Next, write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. We learned about summer season and now you think about winter season and write enjoyable things that you can enjoy or exciting things that you can enjoyable in winter season that you have to write in your textbook itself and you can think about it and you can write your own answer, but here I am giving the answer. Playing in the warmth of the sunlight. Second one, we can eat hot sandwich. We can sit around a fire. We can wear warm sweaters. We can drink hot chocolate, etc. You can write. Next, list as many activities, summer activities as you can. You think about again summer season and you have to write exciting activities that you can write. Swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening, reading, playing video games, playing cricket, etc. Now, group these activities into indoor and outdoor games. You write so many things in above and you have to write indoor and outdoor activities. Playing video games, reading story, that is our indoor activities. Outdoor activities are swimming, trekking, playing cricket, going for picnic, etc. Then the next one, circle the words where you get z sound. One is done for you. Here are so many words and you have to find out which are the words that is where you have to get z sound. that you have to write yourself. Next, list and tell the sound that these words in the poem produce. Here, what is the sound when you hear a cart? You can write, I hear sound of ringing bell. I hear ice cream man cries loudly. I hear joyful shouting of children. Second one, drinks. When you have taking drinks, what are the words in the poem produce? Next, find out and write report. Here is a report of Uncle Lal's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cow. He was 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to milk. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. Here is a report of one who visit Uncle Lal's farm. And now we can discuss about how to write a report. And before writing a report, remember to do these things. First one, we need a good title. Write it correctly. Next one, keep it to your subject. Don't go away with your subject. Next one, tell things in the right order. First, starting with the first and then middle portion, then we need a conclusion. Then make your paper neat. Every time you have to write your paper neat. Here we next we have to write a report of different brand of ice cream available in your area. It's a group activity, but we can't do group activity now. So you have to try to write a report. There is an order. Start with a short introduction, then list available brand in your area, then common flavors ice cream in each of the brands. Then under each brand, find out which flavors are being sold the most, which brand is most people are asking. Then finally write which do you think the most popular ice cream. So you have to try to write it. Okay. Then word building. Circle the boxes that have rhyming words. That city, cart, heat, street, blows, grows. You just circle it. Okay. Heat, street, blows, goes, hard, yard, bowl, doll, cow, sow, label, table, sky, my, play, obey, race, face, right, night. You already know what is rhyming words and try to complete it. You know, very simple. You show to me, then I will check it. Then what do the following words describe in the poem? First one, joyful. What is joyful? Joyful, sight. Answer is sight. Then little dash, little cart. Then round, round, umbrella. Okay. Then what are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Mounds. Mounds means? What are the describing words used in the following words? Mounds. Mounds, brown, white, cooling mounds. Okay. Cooling, brown and white. Then second one, flavors. Which are the flavors? Vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Cluster, thick. Okay. Then color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in each. Try to do it. Okay. Chocolate, vanilla, orange, blackcurrant, strawberry, raspberry, butterscotch, pista. Okay. Simple work. Then next one, draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting describing words, the colors, the flavors, the size, how it look like, taste, feel, etc. Okay, try to do it. Try to write a paragraph about your favorite ice cream. Okay, very simple. Just to try and you show to me through WhatsApp, then I will check it. Okay. Then, last work. Have you ever eaten kulfi? The ice cream from North India. The following sentence describe how it is served, but they are not in the correct order. Write the correct numbers before each sentence. You can see 4 pictures and it is not in order. So, you try to make in order. So I'll read it first. First one, he scoop out kulfi on a plate. Second one, then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serve it. Then the kulfis takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. Then he arranges some faluda around it. So first one, the kulfi wala takes the kulfi mound out of the pitcher. He scoop the kulfi on a plate. Then second one, he arrange some faluda around it. Third one, then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serve it. Then he, okay. Now clear it. I think it's clear. So that was our chapter. Thank you.